racing as they settle with my special moment. Break with the start. You got it always right there in second. Mr. Godfather moving upon the outside. Maribang down the inside comes Sir Barbaro. Then followed over by Grand Game. Welcome Kong is the replayer. Another corner turn. We have five special moments on its favorite position as the pilot maintaining a 3 lanes lead. You got it all in second. Moving upon the outside. Maribang down on the inside. Sir Barbaro, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have my special moment by about 2 lengths. Sir Barbaro now in second. Maribang is on the outside. You got it all comes next. Mr. Godfather, Grand Game. Welcome Kong still in behind them with about 100 meters of the race. From start to finish, it's going to be my special moment. Sir Barbaro, Maribang, then comes You Got It All, Grand Game, Mr. Godfather, and Kang Kang comes in last.
At ito na po, bumabalik na si My Special Moment sa ating wing stand. Together with John Cordero doing it 12 and a half, 22-26, total time of 1 minute, 0.6.